Hey guys, I'm Ashwita. Welcome to our channel Ashi. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to crochet a basic chain. Basic chain is also called as a foundation chain. In this tutorial, I'm gonna use a basic yarn and 12mm eye hook. We're gonna start by making a slip knot. To make the chain, we're gonna wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through the loop. Just continue the process, yarn around the hook, pull through the loop. For a beginner, keep practicing it to become a master. Thank you for watching. We're gonna come up with a huge varieties of our crochet patterns. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Ashi.